F3K-NT installation reference video. Main unit, the body is very textured, with good cable material. Rear camera. Bicycle taillights. GPS module. Wired controller. Host bracket. Rear camera bracket kit. Wired controller and taillights bracket kit. Front camera. Front camera bracket kit. TF card slot screw accessories. Charging cable and tie. Insert the storage card into the card slot. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation and tighten the screws to prevent water from entering. Place the bracket on the back of the host. Put the gasket in the screw and then screw it into the bracket hole. Tips: do not tighten the screw on one side. Wait for the screw on the other side to also be tightened before tightening. Match the other side of the bracket with the back bracket of the main unit, and select the appropriate gasket according to the bike pole for fixing. You can first tighten the screw on one side, and then tighten the other side. It can be tightened after adjusting the appropriate angle. Front camera bracket installation. Install the 360° rotating bracket in the appropriate position on the bike pole. Tighten the screws on both sides. Place the camera into the circular bracket connected to the 360° bracket and tighten it with screws. After tightening, install the nut and secure the camera bracket. The bracket can rotate 360 degrees to adjust the direction of the camera. It can be used as a selfie camera or front camera. Rear camera bracket installation. Install the U-shaped bracket on the pole of the back seat with the appropriate gasket as required. Secure the camera and bracket with screws. Cover the nut and tighten it securely with a wrench. Taillight installation. The first installation method: install the taillight on the pole of the back seat with the appropriate gasket as required. The second installation method: fix the straps on both sides of the taillight back with screws. Stick it in the appropriate position for fixation. Wired controller bracket installation. Select the appropriate bracket according to the requirements and install it on the handlebar with a gasket. Tighten the fixed wire controller bracket on both sides with screws. Tear the adhesive tape on the back of GPS and paste it to fix it. After the GPS is installed, connect it to the host port. When fixing the position of the cable with V-SYS, please pay attention to the routing distance. Range the cable according to your bike type. Please cover the blue charging port with a waterproof cover to prevent water from entering and causing failure to charge. Installation completed. Display. Night effect.